I about to say Instagram. Y'all follow me on Instagram. I know y'all see the new camera, and all praise to the Most High. Husband was able to let me do that. I think my sister got here. Is copyright bad or good? I mean, not. I know it's not good, but like, if I say I don't own the rights to the music, like, can I keep it in there? I heard people saying I can't do that because of copyright, and it's like they don't want me to promote their music. They don't need me to promote their music. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all my car and before and after. See, my AC outlet is not working. This light looks light up blue if it is. So I checked all the fuses. It had the seat covers on, so I didn't look behind them or take them off, and airbag was pulled out. So I'm gonna have to take it to the dealership so they can put a new airbag in there. But that's crazy. I'm glad I saw this. Still cleaning back there, but looks better. And I cleaned up here. No more dust. I'm probably wondering why I'm cleaning out my car on Thanksgiving. I should be cooking, right? No,